Morning, dear students. Today I am going to start a new lesson, that is lesson 3, human treatment. How do we treat human beings? So let's begin the lesson. Neha is a small girl in the family, was just back from the school. Okay, he came back from the school. She opened the gate and ran into the house, opened the door, and she threw the bag on the side and went for the drawing room where the television was kept. But what happened? She did not notice the flower pot. She did not notice the flower pot as it is in thrown in there. So here you can see the flower pot. Flower pot been broken. Okay. Now, as she was going to the TV room, she tripped over the flower pot, and she fell. And she cried, shouting. The servant, come here. Where are you, servant? Then the servant came by hearing the noise of the Neha. I was cleaning the room. Who said this one? Neha said, okay? Here is Neha. Neha said, what? I was cleaning the room. He said, you should have been careful little bit. This was said by whom? Little Neha is saying that you should be more careful. This fellow is, servant is saying to Neha, you should be more careful. How dare you teach me a lesson? Neha said to servant. What did he say? How dare you teach me a lesson? You illiterate. Here illiterate means unpad, okay? Illiterate. How can you teach me a lesson? You illiterate, ignorant. You don't know to read and write, and you are teaching me a lesson. You are only a servant. Neha is saying to servant. Okay? Shouted Neha to the servant. Listen to me. Whatever I say. When the commotion, when the noise was there in that room, mother came, as you have seen here. The mother came by hearing the noise or the commotion. Her mother came and said to Neha, it is not good to say such word to a servant. She is also a human being. You should not speak these kinds of very harsh word, kharab word. Neha did not agree. So mother asked Neha, go and ask sorry. Please go and ask sorry. But Neha did not listen to her mother. No, I will not ask sorry. He retorted Neha, and she went to her room. She went to her room. Okay. As we have can see here. So what happened after that? In the evening, her father came. Uska papa आया, शाम को उसका पापा आया. Her father came and placed the car key on the table where he sat down on the sofa after putting the car key, गाड़ी का चाबी उधर टेबल में रख के सोफा में बैठ गया. Then Neha came to father and kissed her, and he said, I love you, Papa. And she kissed him on the cheek. I love you too. So do I. I also love you, my dear child, said her father. Neha took the key of the car, and he started throwing up and down. Okay? He started throwing the key. Father said, Neha, please don't throw the keys up and down. But Neha did not listen to her father. When father said, Neha did not pay any attention to her father. No. Oh no, this time she tossed higher and higher. और ऊंचा फेंकने लगा चाबी को. ऊंचा फेंकने लगा up चाबी को. So what happened? Suddenly, the chabi he threw, the key he threw up on the air and came down, and the key fell down beneath, and key was lost. Then father was very angry. I told you not to play. खेलने के लिए मना कर रहा था. I told you not to play with the key. Angrily said father to Neha, you naughty stupid girl. You keep doing such things after telling many times. You are not listening, said his father to Neha. Neha stood rooted. Neha was very silent, standing in one place on the ground. She had not expected, सोचा भी नहीं था कि पापा ऐसा बोलेगा बोल के. She expected such harsh, did not expect such harsh word from her father. And now she knew, अभी सोचने लगा उसका सर्बन को कितना बुरा बोला था. जब पापा नेहा को बोल दिया उसका इतना बुरा लगा कि खुद को सोचने लगा. After that she right away went to the servant. Servant के पास गया और सॉरी खोजा. I am sorry for the very harsh word. बहुत जोर से बोल दिया, उसके लिए हम बहुत माफी खोजता है. I ask sorry from you for uttering to you today. I will remain careful in the future. I will try to behave well with you. So Neha said to the servant. So today I stop here and we shall continue in the next class. So remember, Neha was very proud. She was not listening and she was able to scold to servant. When father scolded to Neha, she began to reflect and she thought and went straight to the servant, and when he went to the servant, he asked pardon from the servant and not to repeat again and be careful in the future. So thank you. We shall come back in the next class and continue with the remaining parts of the lesson. Thank you.